Alright guys, we're in Refactoring, the Zen of Ruby. According to this, in this course we'll look at the best practices and conventions that make Ruby unique. We'll see what that means. So if this is true, I'm not quite sure what's going on here. Ruby's elegant, Ruby's not ugly. Alright, let's see here. It's a simpler if. So, looks like it just wants to write an if statement. If true, print hello world, and then end it. Alright, seems easy enough. The one line unless, so let's say unless false puts hello world, and then we have to end it. Alright. One good turn is there's a ternary. So just alright, so this is saying that ternary puts true. Okay, so this is like a different way of doing it. So puts true question mark true value false value, and then let's see if that does it. True value. Alright. When and then the case statement. I guess just a shorter way right now to do everything we've already been doing. Alright, excuse me. Okay. Alright, so this wants us to clean it up. So we'll say when English then we want it to print out hello. Okay, seems easy enough. So when French then puts bonjour, and then when German then puts Guten Tag, and then when Finnish then puts Allo, else puts I don't know that language, and then we need to end it. And I believe this should work. So we'll try English, and there's our hello. This is just saying that we can combine the conditional assignment operator. I don't think we're actually even doing any code here yet. No, you try. Create a variable. So, favorite, oops. Java. We'll do Ruby for this. Don't want to be disrespectful. Favorite underscore. Oops. Cool. Alright, implicit return. You know that methods in Ruby can return values. When we ask to return value, we want to use like blah 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 blah. Was modify the code in the editor to use implicit return. So there you go. It's just gonna automatically return it, I guess. We don't need the return there. Just one extra thing that we don't have to worry about, I guess. So that's kind of cool. Short circuit evaluation. These almost seem like things you just pick up naturally as you code in Ruby. Alright, so we're just going to run this code. So A was evaluated, so we run def A. It returns true. We run def B. See right here, A, and then B. A was evaluated first, or B, so then it runs A or B. You know, A was evaluated, A or B. Then it prints this out, and then it prints out A and B. Cool. If we would have switched it, it would have gone B. Dropped A. So let's see here. Let's get a little inventive. Write a loop that only puts the even values of my array. Bonus points if you use a one-line if. Alright. Bonus points. We like bonus points if my array each. Wait, now. Let's see how they want us to do it. Alright, let's try it this way. So we take the value, my array value, and we'll say if value modulo 2, let's see here. It wants us the even ones. Alright. So we want to take the values of the my array, so equals 0, but it's value. I don't think this is going to work. Does that work? Shows it worked, but that doesn't seem right. Let's see here. Alright, I guess it worked. It's being weird. Alright, so next we're going to use the up to, down to, and a for loop. Sections use up to that puts the capital letters L through P. So we're going to say L dot up to P. I'm not sure this is going to work. So, oh, we got to give it a shot real quick. And then we're going to say take the value, and then we will put the value. Let's see, this might be what we need to do. Alright, element OP. Cool. Call and response. So let's see. Well, dot respond underscore to question mark takes a similar when it's true if the object can receive that method and false otherwise. Alright. So it basically finds if this will work or not. Alright. So we're going to say age dot respond to question mark, and we'll say dot next. Okay. Oh, let's see if that's it. No? Do you remember to give respond to symbol dot next instead of next? Yeah, let's see that. Okay, so you don't include the dot in there, you just include the name of it. Okay, that makes sense. So respond to being pushy, let's see here. Update the code in the editor to use the concatenation operator instead of dot push and plus. So let's look over the example here. We can concatenate with two less than signs. So let's see if we can concatenate like this. Cool. So we just swapped this out. It's a little bit less work, especially in the first case. String interpolation. Let's see here. It's weird that it's showing us to do what we've been doing this whole time. So instead, it's just saying that it wants us to do it like we've been doing, which isn't anything new, I don't believe. Thing. Cool. So let's see. We're going to do a little bit of review, it looks like. Refactor the contents of the editor, it's just line of code. Oh, I guess we don't need the end statement. One is less than true. Alright, so let's go back to the beginning and remind ourselves. Okay, so we're kind of doing it backwards. Alright, so this is what it was. And so we need to do like that. There you go. Yeah, so you put what you wanted to do. You say, do this if this is true. Alright. The ternary operator. Refactor the if statement that introduces a ternary operator and puts the correct sentence. So, alright, so we wanted to do this. So we're going to say puts 1 is less than 2. And then we'll get rid of this. We'll get rid of this. And this is actually kind of counterintuitive to me. And then I guess we can get rid of that also. But like for me, I would just much prefer it the other way. But I guess once you get a handle on all this, the syntax is a little foreign, but you should be able to pick it up pretty quickly if you're working exclusively with Ruby. Alright, in case of many options, refactor the if, else statement into a tidy case statement. Alright, what was the tidy case statement? When something, do this. Alright, so we'll say case language, and then we'll say when Ruby, and then do this, and then we'll do it again, when Python, and then do this, when JavaScript, then do this, when HTML, then do this. On CSS, and do this, and finally, else, puts, I don't know the language, let's see if that works. What's your favorite language? I'll say Ruby. Oh my god, I did it again. There we go. Oh. Looks like your program doesn't put Ruby is great for web apps. One language is equal to Ruby. Oh, do I need this? I thought it assumed. see if that works. Okay, so this isn't it. Yeah, that didn't seem right, because essentially the whole point of the case language was to do this. Oh, it may, I wonder if it has anything to, do we need to indent? Let's see. So let's go to the Q&A forum, see what's going on here. That was what, 17 and 20? So when Ruby puts this, okay, it seems to be, from what I read in the comments here, that there just seems to be a little bit of a error on their end in programming. So we're just gonna go ahead and do it like this. For whatever reason, it doesn't use then. It wants us to use puts. It'll only accept puts. Then should work though just fine. Conditional assignment. So in this case, we're going to create favorite underscore animal. Cat. And there we go. And then implicit return. Write a method square, def square. And it takes a number as an argument. Say number. And let's say number times number. And then we'll end it. And we don't need to do a return. That should work just fine. For shame. So we want to do the times, and we'll say for I in 1 to 3, so 1, 2, 3, 3 times 3 dot times 2. Bam! I'm a refactoring machine, the Zen of Ruby. So we learned a couple things that are probably the standard, I'd say, in Ruby on how to set up your code. It's probably less typing and easier once you get the hang of it. The next section we're going to be doing is called the Refactor Factory. So, I'll see you guys in this next one.